Here's our GetterBack test station. This time we're going to descend to a depth of about 25, 26 feet. We have three GetterBacks mounted in different positions, one pointed directly up, one pointed down, and one mounted horizontally. These different mounts represent different configurations for different types of gear, from fishing rods to drones. The gauge in the back, a scuba gauge, on the top shows the depth in feet we're descending down to and through. Once we drop below 6 feet in depth, the check valve in the GetterBack opens and allows water in, which mixes with the reaction packet. The reaction packet has a time delay on it. It's a film that dissolves slowly, and this is to allow as much water as possible to get into the GetterBack before we start producing CO2 gas, so the internal pressure of the GetterBack can equalize with the external pressure of the water. At 100 feet, the maximum depth of the GetterBack is 42 psi. So at 25, 26 feet, we're about a quarter of that, which is about 10, 11, maybe 12 psi, somewhere around there. So at this point, we're at 25 feet. It's been about 1 minute, so the reaction packets are starting to dissolve. They're starting to produce CO2 gas, and once they produce about 20 to 30 pounds of pressure higher than the surrounding pressure, they will open. And this should happen about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes at 26 feet. So we're waiting for these to open. Pressure's building. And there goes two. Now those two went off together because they're both pressurized about the same, but the shock wave of one through the water jarred the other one enough to get it to go at the same instant also. Kind of coincidental there, but that shows that they're both at the same pressure. And mounted vertically down does take a little longer because the water has to go through the windings, and we should have, there it goes now. So these are the floats will go to the surface, be there in about 15-20 seconds. And here's a film of actually 6 that we had, showing how easy the green GetterBack is to spot on the surface.